Hello, welcome back to Crumbs and Creations. Thank you for watching my first video on the London bus, and thank you for all your lovely comments and support so far. But I'm back today to start my next build, which is this one. So this is the Lego Technic, I think that's how you say it, and this is the backhoe loader. So I thought it looked quite cool. If you see what it looks like on the back, it can actually move. So I thought this is quite exciting, and maybe we can get this to operate. I don't have any sand, but maybe I've got some icing sugar we could see if it works with. So this is for 7+, so it's my age, and you get 104 pieces in this one. Anyway, and this is the cake I've made for today. So this is one I made earlier. This is a blueberry cake. There you go. This is what I'm going to be eating whilst building it. Anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm just going to unbox it. There's a better view of the back. You can just press down this. Ooh. And then open sesame. Oh, the Lego bits are popping out already. Look at this, a wheel. Oh, it's all happening, or a tyre even. Oh, there we go. What else is here? Oh, a few more bits. Oh, empty box now. And the tyres run off. Ah, excellent. So we've got 4 tyres. Hopefully you can see that. I know my kitchen table's a bit is black as well, so it doesn't quite help. Oh, look at that. It's exciting. 2 bits. There we go. So that's what's in the box. This is the manual. That's exciting. Right, let's get into it. So the first instructions say to tip out all the bits, so I'll start cracking on there. There we go. Oh, there's the first pack. And the second, I think I'll try and keep them separate. There we go. Oh, try not to lose any parts on this one. There we go. Oh, and have some cake. There we go. I've hit a landmark, so I'm on 0.9, and now I've just done this bit. And I think it moves. See, it moves down. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Anyway, better get cracking. Okay, so I've made a mess of it slightly, but I think I've worked it out. So I've used the wrong cog, so I should have used the bigger one like this, not the smaller one. Ooh, on part 10. So hopefully that will go on there like that. And then what a pickle. And then back to this one. I think I need to put the axle through, go back to, yeah, I see 29 is that size axle, because it it didn't quite fit right. It seemed really tight, and I was worried I was going to break it. And that's when you think, oh, I think I've got this wrong here. Anyway, I think we've solved the mystery that I put myself in by not looking at the right bricks. So there you go, lesson learned. Look at the right bricks. So this bit got me a bit, but I basically combined the two parts we had, and look, it moves. Woo! I've done a thing, and I finished off the cake. Bit stressful. Right, step number 34. Well, team, I've done it. It took a bit of time. I got a bit stuck halfway through with some wrong parts in the way, but the backhoe loader, blimey, what a mouthful, is sorted. So these can just come down, and then you've got this for digging, and then even this works, so it goes up and down, and then I think if you can adjust these, you can take it off the floor. Oh, look at it now. Really is stuck. So there we go. What a great build. I really enjoyed that one. Bit different. I think it was definitely harder than the Lego bus project I first did. But thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.